So Network is a Twitter-like social network website. It was designed as a single-page application using Python and JavaScript. JavaScript is using Ajax technology to asynchronously fetch data from a server without the need to reload the entire page. The first major functionality is the ability for user who is logged in to send new posts. You see the text area at the top. There is this all post functionality. When you click on the navigation bar, you can see a listing of all posts of all users. Each post has a username, edit button, post's body, timestamp of the post, number of likes, and the like and unlike buttons. When you click on the username, whether on the navigation bar or on any of the posts, you can see the profile page. On the profile page, each user has its own name, basic profile stats, number of followers, number of users that this specific user is following, and a listing of all users' posts in a reverse chronological order. If you click on a profile page on the user different from the user that's logged in, you can also have this functionality of the follow and unfollow. For example, here I'm logged in as a user named Foo. When I go to the profile page of a bit, I can hit the follow button and then I can follow this user, and then you can see that number of following has gone up by 1. Clicking on the following gets you to the page when you can see a listing of all posts of users that I'm following. Finally, on every page with a listing of a post, whether these are all posts or profile posts or following posts, you can notice that this website has a pagination functionality. It was created thanks to Paginator class in Python. It was a pagination on the server side, and it simply divides the data on the server in smaller chunks without the need to fetch all information from the server at once. In this application, we have a pagination of the posts by 10, and then when you click next button, you can always fetch additional information from the server. When you go to the end of the listing, next button disappears. You can move backwards to browse through the listing. Then you have this edit post functionality. You can always edit your own posts. Finally, you have this like and unlike buttons. You can always hit a like button under the posts you like or unlike. Thank you.